Justine, where are you going? I thought we were going to watch a movie.
What now? I am going to the bedroom. I'm tired. I need to sleep.
I know you're tired. But we talked in the morning, honey. You said.
Really? Are you going to start again? I already told you I'm tired. What else?
I don't mean to bother you. It is just that you told me we were going to watch a movie.
Yeah, but I don't feel like watching a movie. I just want to sleep. Don't you understand?
I don't want to fight, I just want you to keep your promise. You always do the same thing, darling.
But I don't want. I wake up early every day to go to work and then I come back home late. All I want to do is sleep. I don't want to watch a movie or sing a song. They're unnecessary things.
But they're necessary for me. I also work and I am also tired. But I want to spend time with you.
Oh, please, Kelly. Your job is easier than mine. All you have to do is sell insurance. You just have to deal with one person at once. That's easy to do. My job is different. I have to deal with a lot of people during the day. And when they make a mistake, I am responsible for it. That's really tiring. Today I had a big problem. One of the main assistants quit. He had more than 5 years working with us. And he just quit. Can you believe it? He knew everything about the new project, and now we will have to look for another person. And on top of that, I have my boss putting pressure on me all the time to get that project done. I'm tired and stressed. And you get angry because I don't want to watch a movie?
It's not only about the movie. And you know that. It's about us. Our relationship.
Oh, come on. Please don't start with that again. We're fine like this. I mean, we're fine.
No, we're not fine. How can you say that? We never talk, and when we do, we end up fighting.
Exactly. Because of you. I don't want to fight. You are the one who always wants to fight. Why? I mean, can't we be all right?
I don't want to fight either. I just want to save our relationship. I'm trying hard to. I want to go out with you. I want us to spend more time together. That's all. You always say we will do something and then you don't do it. That's not good.
Because I want to do these things you say. I wish I had your energy seriously. But I work hard. When I get home, all I want to do is relax. What do you want?
Tell me something. How long has it been since we went out somewhere or spent time together as husband and wife?
I don't remember. How do you want me to remember something like that? I don't know.
I will tell you. 1 year. We have 1 year with this boring routine.
Boring routine? It is not boring. People work all day. That's normal. But you don't want me to work. You want me to stay all day at home. Should I quit or what?
I don't want you to quit. You don't understand. No, you do understand, but you play the fool.
Don't call me like that. I'm not playing anything. All I want is peace. Can't I have it?
What do you mean? You need to be alone to have peace? Is that what you mean?
No, of course not. I just want to sleep. Maybe we can go out later or this weekend.
Yeah, like the last weekend when you said we were going to go to that party. I had to go alone. Everyone was asking for you. I had to invent an excuse.
Why do you have to do that? Tell them the truth. Tell them I'm tired. They will understand.
All my friends went with their husband or boyfriends. I was the only one who went alone.
It doesn't mean anything. It's okay to go alone to some places. People do that nowadays.
Yes, and I do. But sometimes it will be nice we could go out together.
Okay, so that you can stop being annoying, we will go out tomorrow to the park or somewhere happy.
So that I can stop being annoying? What the hell? Seriously?
What now? Didn't you want to go out? What? Now you don't want? What do you want from me? Why do you always want to fight? We're married. We're not boyfriend and girlfriend anymore. We're adults. We can't hold hands and walk as if life is perfect. Life is not perfect. We are not perfect. You need to understand you can't have everything you want. That's how it is. You're married now. We have to work hard. This is our routine, so get used to it, please. You're not a child anymore. Stop acting like a child, grow up.
So, that's what you think? Life is not good. Our marriage is a routine? Is that what it means to you?
No, but we can't do anything about it. We're fine like this. Stop being annoying.
Yeah, you're right. I will stop it. Maybe you're right. That's what it is.
Oh, here we go again. You know what? I will take a shower, okay? We can talk later. Drink some water or take a shower too. It will help you. Take it easy.
All right. I understood. Maybe we were wrong to get married.
Don't do that. You're being so silly. I can't believe it. You make me angry.
Don't worry. I won't do that again. Because I'm leaving. I want the divorce. I won't be with a person who doesn't want to make me happy. I deserve more. Bye.
Oh, come on. Kelly. Come here. Where are you going? Kelly, come here. Are you really going to do this? Kelly? Kelly. Oh, God. Did she really leave? I don't want to lose her. Kelly.
Thank you so much for watching videos. Please help subscribe my channel.